Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 354 rotary wall telephone, and this is Brian's equipment from New Jersey. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done. On the handset, the cap for the receiver and the transmitter are both seized to the handset, and we need to remove them. We also want to troubleshoot the receiver capsule and the transmitter. We're going to troubleshoot the handset cord. We want to go through the hook switch. We want to make sure that that is cleaned and working properly. We also need to go through the rotary. We want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial. We want to make sure that the network is wired properly and that all the connections are tight. We also want to go through the bell circuit. We want to troubleshoot the solenoids, and we want to adjust the bells. So we're going to go through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We're going to get some still pictures of this really cool telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we want to show a little bit about what's going on. We're going to go ahead and start with the rotary dial. Now we want to show that the finger wheel is going to need to be straightened out. It's bent pretty badly, and so that will be taken care of. We'll go ahead and straighten that out. We'll set that to the side. We also want to install a dial center card and ring for the rotary finger wheel, and it'll be something to the period of the telephone. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool rotary wall telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. We also want to mention that we have an amplifier connected to the inside of the telephone at the network so that you can hear the audio of the telephone on the final checkout. And I have an amplifier backed by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. And we want to talk about the original bell to this telephone. The coils were bad for that bell. We went ahead and replaced the bell with an original style bell to the period of this telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to go ahead and walk through the numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. This rotary was frozen up, and now we have a nice smooth return. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
Time and temperature. Today is Sunday, January 20th. The current time, 11:43 p.m. and the temperature, 28 degrees.
We'll go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 354 rotary wall telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Brian and he can enjoy this really cool telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.